WEI developed the SmartIT Tag as a differentiator from our competitors. What we realized is the data centers and the campuses of our customers are filled with so many devices that keeping track of those assets is problematic. So every device that WEI integrates here, sells out to our customers, has a small data matrix sticker, about 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. That information in there is the part number, the serial number, any other pertinent information the customer would want at that time. They simply read it with a phone or a barcode reader, and it tells them everything they need to know. It's usually on the front bezel of the device.
So basically the SmartIT Tag, what it allows you to do is to link information, from any specific equipment that we do in-house for any customer that we customize for them, to be able to track whatever information is on that system. And what we're trying to do is to collect all of that in a repository so we can look at all of that data at the same time.
That device that's reading the SmartIT Tag can see the part number, serial number, any other pertinent data that the customer wants to see at that point. By utilizing the full application that we make available to our customers, they can then see unlimited data related to that equipment. It just goes out to the cloud, sees what they want to see. It can deliver back to you the name of the requisitioner of the equipment, the purchase order number, the date of deployment, the warranty start and end date. Virtually any information the customer wants to see, he can see right in the application using a phone or barcode reader from in front of the equipment. That process replaces the customer perhaps digging into the back of his cabinet, coming up with the serial number, going back to his office, researching that serial number, finding out when did we get this, where does it stand on warranty, what was the configuration, how was it configured inside, the memory DIMMs and the NIC cards, how are they laid out. Instead of that entire process, as he's walking around his campus or data center, he can have that information on the fly readily available to him. In-house, for instance, when we use it here, we use it for quality control checks. That data is available to us as well. So just before we package up the box or ship it out, our QC checks that data matrix against our service order to make sure it's configured and laid out exactly how the customer asked, to make sure it's going to the right location and the right person. That's how we use it in-house. The customer, there's unlimited ways you could use that data matrix sticker on the front of the bezel. The WEI SmartIT Tag is a good example of WEI innovation. We're constantly thinking of the customer's needs, what can make the entire process or product better for them. Large rollouts, special deployments, asset tracking, customized portals and quality control checks. These are all things that customers are thinking about. Operational concerns are a reality in the IT world today. This makes all those concerns very much easier to handle.